Sabrina, what is up? I thought we were gonna meet at the park.
Nah, I changed my mind. I got lazy.
Lazy? It's literally right over there.
I know, but can we just chill inside instead?
I guess.
Okay. Oh, I need to relax in this great open space.
Nice. Sabrina, what are we talking here? We have a listing video to shoot.
Yeah, but look how amazing this space is. I'm just gonna chill for a minute. You keep looking around.
Suit yourself. Wow, what a great area. We have the living room that opens straight to the kitchen. The house here has seen newer paint, windows, and floor. Wow. And what about this kitchen, Sabrina?
Oh my gosh, it's amazing. I'm gonna keep chilling, you keep talking.
Suit yourself. This kitchen, we have granite countertops, newer appliances, espresso color cabinets. What's not to love about this?
It's amazing, right? You
Yeah.
think that's great? Let's go check out the outstairs.
Upstairs, we have this bright bathroom, granite countertops, tiled tub surround. Gorgeous. There's also 3 additional rooms we're gonna check out, starting with the primary. Sabrina, we're in a great sized primary bedroom here. You're just chilling. What are we talking?
I mean, of course I'm chilling. Look at the space.
Super nice, but suit yourself. We got 2 other rooms to check out. Down the hall, we have 2 additional generously sized rooms, hardwood floors, bright natural sunlight shooting through the nice windows. And into the office here. Sabrina, this place is magnificent. You have to check out the basement.
Okay.
Taking it easy again, hey Sabrina? Nothing wrong with that, but there's so much to do in this active basement space. Let's get active.
Okay, fine. Let's go check out the private backyard.
Wow, great backyard space. This would be awesome for entertaining. Sabrina, what do you think?
Do you mind? You're killing my zen.